This example explains the different modes that are available for shipping boxes on a pallet. First thing we'll do is run Quick Pallet Maker. Then we're going to open a new data sheet starting from box dimensions. And we'll change the units to inches. Next, we're going to select a box list and copy the data from that list. Copy and paste. We'll see that here we have on the first column we have the amount of boxes that we will ship for each type. Now we see that we have in the menu below we have three options. The first option is single product pallets and mix surplus. The second one is strict single product pallets, no mixing of different types of boxes. And the third one is to mix all products. What this first option will do is try to fill as many pallets as you can with only one type of products, and then when the remaining boxes will all be mixed in as many pallets are needed. So tools, calculate box shipment, and we see the result. Now we go back, change data, and we'll see the second option. No mixing. Here we have one additional pallet. Before we had 6, now we have 7. Notice that there are no pallets mixed with different types of boxes. All of them have only one type of box. Now we're going to go back and use the third option, which is to mix all products. Tools, calculate box shipment. And here we have 6 pallets too. Basically the same result as the one before, because there wasn't any opportunity to mix pallets previously.